Montblanc enriches its 1858 Iced Sea automatic date diving watch collection with the new steely gray dial. Make no mistake, this is not just another iteration. It's one that highlights the mystique and beauty of a glacial wonder and simultaneously brings to the fore the artistry Montblanc has honed for over a century. As always, we've included all the product specifications in the description box so you can check them out later. We always love to hear from our viewers, so please drop us a comment below. If you have any questions about this watch or any other Montblanc timepiece, ask us in the comment section and we'll get back to you right away. But for now, keep on watching as we go hands-on with the latest 1858 Iced Sea automatic date watch by Montblanc and discover how it's both an aesthetic and technological delight. As an authorized retailer of Montblanc, Les Ambassadeurs offers a large collection of the latest Montblanc models, including this 1858 Iced Sea automatic date. Visit our online store at lesambassadeurs.ch. The storied history of Montblanc begins in 1906 in Germany, where it quickly established itself as the foremost maker of luxurious, exquisitely made fountain pens. With its distinct logo representing the snow-covered peak of the Mont Blanc mountain, the brand became even more ingrained in the luxury market. In 1997, Montblanc revealed its first watch collection with a style that echoed the aesthetic of its luxurious writing instruments, namely the Meisterstück fountain pen, which came to inspire its first watch collection. Today, the brand continues its tradition of superb craftsmanship and continuous focus on innovation, exemplified by its latest achievement, the 1858 Iced Sea automatic date, Montblanc's first ever sports diving watch collection, launched just last year. On the heels of its successful debut, Montblanc enriches the collection with a version featuring a new dial color. For the latest version of the 1858 Iced Sea automatic date watch, all eyes are on the intricate gray dial. This canvas on the wrist commands attention with its glacier pattern inspired by ice found on one of the Mont Blanc mountain's largest glaciers, the Mer de Glace. Indeed, the intricate details of the 1858 Iced Sea dial cannot be overlooked. When viewed under a certain light and angle, glacial ice patterns emerge that reveal the mineral deposits captured in its structure for millennia. To achieve this pattern, an age-old technique called gratte-boisé was applied, resulting in an arresting impression of dimensionality and brilliance. The time's legibility was ensured thanks to the white superluminova applied on the hands, indices, and the dots at 12 o'clock on the bezel. The 1858 Iced Sea automatic date is powered by an automatic movement with a frequency of 4 Hz and a 38-hour power reserve. These watches are veritable diving instruments. Each is certified to ISO 6425, meets standards, and is subjected to a Montblanc laboratory test to ensure that these timepieces are resistant to shock, magnetism, and temperature variations. The watch displays the hour, minute, and seconds from the center and the date at 3 o'clock. This eye-catching Montblanc timepiece is housed in a 41mm stainless steel case with a water resistance of up to 30 bar. It comes with polished, satin-finished carved horns and a knurled unidirectional ceramic bezel with bicolored black ceramic superluminova with the blue emission on the dot. While the watch's caseback reveals a 3D engraving of an iceberg and a diver exploring the glacial waters, its fluted crown proudly features the Montblanc emblem. With the expectation that this robust piece will be worn on both land and water, the watch comes with interchangeable tapered stainless steel bracelets that can be easily switched for a black rubber strap with stitching to match the dial's color. These bracelets are also adjustable on the wrist, ensuring that they fit on your wrist perfectly either under the cuff of a smart shirt or over a wet suit. While some might find this iteration different simply for its color, look again. This gray Iced Sea automatic date watch is distinct from its predecessors because each, in fact, features an image of a different peak in the Mont Blanc massif. In another horological triumph, Montblanc creates a timepiece that is not only technically superior, but one that also sets itself apart artistically. The Montblanc Iced Sea automatic date watch is priced at 3,110 Swiss francs. Les Ambassadeurs is proud to have this beautiful Montblanc watch available for you. If you haven't already, visit the Les Ambassadeurs website and shop from our online store at your convenience. You can even take advantage of our fast flash delivery service where we can deliver a watch within 3 hours to any location in Switzerland. Yes, that's right, in just 3 hours. How does this gray iteration compare with the previous versions of the Iced Sea automatic date? We always love to hear from our viewers, so please drop us a comment below. If you have any questions about this watch or any other Montblanc timepiece, ask us in the comment section and we'll get back to you right away. And if you want to stay up to date on the latest watch reviews from Les Ambassadeurs, please subscribe to our channel, click the bell button and give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.